Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to use Binance in South Africa. I'll first show you how to create and verify your Binance account, and then I'll walk you through linking your South African bank account and making your first ZAR or Rand deposit. After that, you'll learn the 2 easiest ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance, and finally, how to withdraw your money back into your bank account. Some steps can be a little confusing, so it is very important to watch this video all the way until the end. If your Binance app looks slightly different after an update, don't worry, the steps are still the same, so just follow along and look for the same options. I will begin the tutorial by showing you how to create and verify your Binance account. If you haven't already installed the Binance app, just download it from the Google Play or Apple App Store, then open it. Choose the option that best matches your experience level. If you are new to cryptocurrency, tap I'm new to crypto. Otherwise, select I'm a crypto pro. Enter your email address or mobile number, then press register. Type the verification code sent to your email address or phone number. Create a strong password and then choose continue. When the welcome aboard screen appears, move on to the next step. If someone referred you to Binance, select yes and enter their referral code. Otherwise, choose no. Start the identity verification process by entering your South African ID number. If you have another nationality, tick the relevant box and provide the additional information that's requested. Binance will now verify the information you just submitted. Complete the face scan when prompted, and review your personal details including your full name, date of birth, and South African ID number. If everything looks correct, press continue. Then enter your residential address. Next, choose your employment status. On the next screen, select continue to submit your verification details. The application will usually be reviewed within 15 minutes. During this time, some Binance features may be temporarily unavailable. Once your account has been verified, you'll receive an email or app notification confirming that your Binance account is ready to use. Next, I am going to show you how to link your South African bank account and make your first ZAR deposit on Binance. From the Binance home screen, select Add Funds. Next, choose Deposit ZAR. Tap Linked Payments, and then a message will appear asking you to link a bank account. Press Continue. Your bank account must be registered in your own name, since Binance only accepts deposits from bank accounts that match the exact name on your verified Binance account. Choose your bank from the list, and then enter your online banking username and password. After that, select Continue. Pick the bank account you want to link, press confirm, and then you'll be asked to approve the request in your banking app. Follow the remaining prompts to authorize the connection. Binance will then verify your bank account. Once the verification process has finished, your South African bank account will be successfully linked to your Binance account. To make your first deposit, return to the Binance home screen. Select Add Funds again, then choose Deposit ZAR. Tap Linked Payments and then enter the amount of money you want to deposit. You'll now see the transaction fee together with the amounts that will be credited to your Binance account. If everything looks correct, select Continue. You'll then be redirected to the payment partner to finalize the transaction. Complete the remaining steps to authorize the payment. Once the transfer has been processed successfully, the funds will appear in your Binance account. I will now show you the 2 easiest methods that beginners can use to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance. I'll start with the convert method, and then I will show you how to use the spot method. From the Binance home screen, select Trade at the bottom. Make sure the convert option is selected. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, under the top option, choose ZAR. Then under the bottom option, search for and select the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. If you would rather sell crypto, Simply reverse the order so that your cryptocurrency is being converted into ZAR. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and once you've entered the amount, press Preview. Review the conversion details to make sure that everything looks correct. If you're happy, tap Confirm. Once the transaction has been processed successfully, your order will be completed. I will now show you how to use the spot method. First, select spot. Near the top of the screen, choose either buy or sell. Press the trading pair in the top left corner, and then search for and choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Enter the amount that you want to buy or sell, and if you are creating a buy or sell order, it's important to know that you can also set your own custom price. This can be very useful in decreasing your cost and increasing your profit. Setting a lower buy price means your order will only be filled if the market drops to that price, while setting a higher sell price means your order will only be filled if the market reaches your chosen amount. Once you're satisfied with all the order details, press buy or sell. Review the order information to make sure that everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the order. Once the transaction has been completed successfully, your order will be done. The last step that I will show in this tutorial is how to withdraw money from your Binance account into your South African bank. First, from the Binance home screen, select Add Funds. Then choose Deposit ZAR. After that, select the Withdrawal tab. You will now have two withdrawal methods to choose from. Linked payments charge a 20 Rand withdrawal fee but are processed instantly through EFT rails, while bank transfers have no withdrawal fee but usually take around 1 to 3 business days. Choose the withdrawal method that you want to use. Then enter the amount of money that you wish to withdraw. You'll now see the withdrawal fee together with the amount that will be deposited into your bank account. If everything looks correct, tap Preview Order. Review the withdrawal details to make sure that everything is right. If you are happy, select Confirm. Complete the security verification by following the remaining prompts. Once the withdrawal has been processed successfully, tap View Details to view your transaction. The funds will then be deposited into your linked South African bank account. And that is it. That's how to use Binance in South Africa. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye, everyone.